Want to spice up your vlog video by giving it a cinematic feel and experience using 3D camera tracker in After Effects. Hello everyone, my name is Naresh and today we will be learning how to use 3D camera tracker in After Effects to create this stunning 3D text animation. So without any delay, let's get started. So I have imported this clip and we are ready to go. And you can also download the same clip from the link provided in the description. So let's start by creating new composition. These are the settings. Let's call it main. Let's bring this clip inside our composition. Let's pre-compose it. Click OK. Then click on track camera. If this option is not visible, you can go to Windows and you can select this tracker. Then you will be able to see this option. Then click on track camera. So it will analyze the clip and it will show the track point at the end of the analysis. So I will make it fast for you. Alright guys, so it has finished analysis of our clip and now it is showing all the track points. If it is not visible, you can increase the size of these track points. So make sure that you have selected the clip or the composition, otherwise it will not be visible. So I am selecting this composition and I am selecting this effect, and with this clip selected and this effect selected, I will be able to select all the. There are two ways you can have the 3D text animation. So let me select this 3 point. Either you can create text and camera directly, or you can create solid and later you can attach it with the text. So I will be demonstrating both. So let us first create text and camera. Alright, so it has created the text. So let us select the text and change its color to white. Click OK. So I have selected this text. You can change the size, font, whatever you want to. I'm just writing 3D camera. You can change the position, can increase the size, can also centralize the point. If you are doing a camera fly movement through the later. I have already made a tutorial on camera fly through effect through the 3D text if you are interested. Alright, so we have created this text but it is not 3D. Let me demonstrate the another way of creating the text. So let me delete this. We have selected the clip and we have also selected the effect. So now we can see we have visible points. Select this point, create solid and camera. So we have now this solid and camera. So we can add text. So we have now this text. Keep holding shift and attach this text to the solid. Alright, also convert these to 3D layer. So let's scale this text. Let us reposition it. Alright, let us switch off this track solid. So we have now this text. So this is the another way we can add the text. Now let us convert this text into 3D. So for that we have to convert this renderer to Cinema 4D. There is another way of doing this. Go to composition setting, 3D renderer, and from here also you can change the settings. Alright, so now we have this text. Go to text, go to geometry option, and we can have here this bevel style. We can keep the depth to 5.4 or whatever you want to keep. Then this is the depth. We can increase the depth also. So we have the extrusion but it is not visible. So let's add a new light. Let's add point light with these settings and we will have this 3D camera. Now the extrusion and the bevel shape is visible. This is the point light. You can also change the position of the light. See, you can see here as I move this point light, it is changing the shadow. So you can do that. Another important thing is that you can also change the color of the text. Likewise, I'm keeping this, and you can increase the intensity as per your choice. You can also add a new light, and you can add a spotlight, intensity to 100. So this is the spotlight, and you can attach the spotlight with the text layer. You can change the direction like it is falling from the above. So you can also use the spotlight. So this is how you can create a 3D text animation using a 3D camera tracker. Now to spice up the little bit, you can add the animation, text animation. I am using a preset that I have downloaded from the free site Motion Designer. I will be providing the link in the description. You can also download and install it. So I will be choosing this light from the left. So this is the nice sliding up from the left effect. So this is the animation. You can change the duration of animation by you revealing this keyframe and changing its position, but I want to keep this only. It looks good. So this is the in animation. Then for the outgoing exit animation, I will be using another effect, the blur and fade out. So drag and drop this effect on your text, and you will have this in and this out. Again, you can press U and you can change the position of this. Here it will be good. So this is the moving out. So this is very simple way of adding text or title and with animation. Alright, so our animation is almost ready. One final thing we can do here is we can add the shadow. So let's add shadow. So select all the layers and pre-compose it. Click OK. Alright, now let's change the renderer of this composition. Go to composition setting and again change it back to classic 3D. So this main composition is now a 3D renderer, but our original composition is again in the Cinema 4D, so it will not affect our 3D text. Alright, so go to pre-comp and select this 3D camera and select this 3D tracker camera. Control C or Command C and copy paste by Control or Command V this main composition. Alright, now let's change the color of this text to black. Type 00. This text here. Change its position by holding X. You can scale it up little bit. From the effects and presets, select the box blur effect and drag and drop. Increase it on this. Press T on a keyboard and change the opacity. Alright, so this is the shadow of the text. Alright guys, this is it. So see you in the next one. Till then, keep practicing. Bye bye.